Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over at the fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this time of the week again, where I will give you your free weekly signal. Now, for you new to my channel and new to my YouTube videos, you can hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with the weekly videos that I post and the weekly trade ideas. Okay. So last week our trades last week weren't the best. We actually broke even with some nice trades across the Kiwi pairs, but the euro trades that we took last week, especially in the EURCAD, the Euro USD, and the Euro Swiss franc, kind of took us out. But those trades last week they dropped pretty hard, so I'm expecting early retracement this week. So this week's free signal is on the Euro CAD. I'm just going to go through the actual trade. Okay, so and it's going to be a counter trend trade. Okay, so I'll just pause this. Okay, so if we look at the weekly charts here, you can see price has finally broken out of this area here, this area of support and demand. Okay, and it's looking like we are likely going to get a move down to here. Okay, over the coming weeks and months. Okay, at 141, around 142. Okay, we're currently at 143,500, but before that happens, I'm expecting a move up and then a rally and a drop back down. So I'm expecting an early rally here this week. Just basically, if you look at this overall move down, it's overextended. You have nearly 11 days in a row the market dropping. Okay, 11 candles in a row. Usually after around 10, 9 or 10 like this, the market will retrace back up and then look for an area to drop again. Okay, so what we're kind of doing is looking to protect the future here on this pair. Okay, it looks like it's going to continue to drop, but this is probably just a fake out. Maybe just take the stops below this on Monday morning, expecting this to gap up. You can see this nice falling wedge pattern here on the hourly charts. And this is really nice setup. I think we're going to get a fake breakout of the falling wedge and then a rally back up. Okay, so going to add a couple of more indicators in here. Stuff I look at when I'm counter trend trading. I'm looking at the Bollinger Bands. I'm looking at the deviations of 3. Okay, on the Bollinger Bands, and I'm going to add in my MACD divergence or RSI divergence. Okay, let's look at the RSI divergence today. I'm going to add the levels 20. Okay, for the bottom, I like to add the levels 20. Okay, I don't really trade the 30. I'm just going to take them out. I trade the, delete this, I trade the 80 and the 20 levels on the RSI. So when I'm counter trend trading, I'm looking for the really extremes of the market. Okay, so see the market's been getting a lot of divergence signals here. It's down around the third bands area. If we actually look at the weekly charts, okay, it's hitting the bands area here in the third band. So I'm expecting a rally back up. Okay, so look at the daily. Just zoom out there. Okay, look at the 4 hour right down the bottom. We've got a divergence around this 20 area. This is a really nice signal when you get the divergence signal on the 4 hour charts to the higher time frame charts in around these extremes of the markets. Okay, so this is all telling me we're going to get a retracement early next week. Might drop a little bit on the open, but overall we're going to get a retracement. So where am I looking to target in this? So I'm looking to match up a selling area, institutional selling area that caused a new low, caused the breakout. Okay, so we're looking to rally back up. And I'm just going to draw the Fibonacci here. And straight away, what stands out to me here is this area here. Okay, this is the kind of area I'm looking to target here. Okay, so in around one, I'm going to go around the, say the 50 fib. That's going to be my target, the 50 fib. So say 145, 500. I'm going to enter at 130, 500, and I'm going to put a stop loss. So we're just around 80 or 90 pips. So around about 142, 6. Okay, so expecting a rally back up here next week. I will watch it closely around this, the breakout area of support. And if it goes up to here, the market's showing me that it's selling off and starting to slow down, and might just take my profits here. But this will be my initial target for next week. It also will be an initial target for a selling area also. This I would like to get into this move again to the downside up around 145, okay, and drop it back down. But at the minute, very over sold. Everything's lining up for a retracement, a counter trend trade, and I do like to trade these sometimes because they do get you quick profits. Okay, but you have to be focused on these moves, and you have to be careful in watching the market, because the market is dropping pretty hard. So you have to watch it constantly and see where you can get out. If the market's slowing down, coming in around these the breakout level, or around these 145 area, this would be my, let's say here, this 40 or 50 pip area here. This will be my zone to take profits. Okay, so the trade idea that I'm going to give you, I'm just going to delete all these indicators now. Delete. Okay, we'll delete the Fibonacci. Okay, so we're going to enter when the market opens. Pretty simple. So we're going to buy Euro CAD at 143.5. I'm going to stop loss at 142.6, and I take profit at 145.5. Okay, so that's the trade this week. You can pause that now and take it. We enter when the market opens, 2 hours after the market actually opens on the Sunday evening if you're in Europe or the US, or Monday morning if you're in Asia or Australia. Okay, we want to at least an hour or two after the Sydney open, basically, so we don't get the high spreads in the market, and if there's any gaps down or gaps up, we don't get caught in them. Okay, so we enter an hour or two after the market opens, and we leave it like that. Okay, so this trade this week, if you're in the Facebook group, you can join the Facebook group and get updates about this trade. It's looking like a really nice setup for some quick pips retracement. And this could be a false breakout, and it could rally back up. But at the minute, this is looking like a nice retracement trade on Monday. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to get the rest of our signals this week, we've got some really nice setups also across all the euro pairs and British pound pairs. So you can click the link below, sign up to our signal service. If you have any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com. And happy trading. Have a great week and great profitable week. I hope this trade works out for you. If it does, let me know in the comments below. We shall see you next week.